All right, what is going on, fellas? So today I'm back out in my proving ground fields, my little test field, whatever you want to call it. I have temporarily, I don't know how temporarily it is, but I have fixed my motor. It wasn't an easy process, so that's why I didn't show anything. Wow, that tree right there has gotten big, huh? Wow, that's interesting. Anyway, yeah, so today is starting my weekend. I have finally, I have gotten the job that I've been saying I haven't gotten. They called me and said, come on in, and I guess I start Monday. Today is, today I think it's Thursday, maybe Friday, something like that. Man. Anyway, yeah, so today we're just gonna get out and fly before I have to start work and sit back, enjoy. Here we go. Peace out.
there's no one